Hi besties, today I will be showing you how to do your own gellac nails at home without a drill. So this is very beginner friendly and easy to follow. I will be going through preparation, application and design. I will mention everything I use in the description for you too. These were my New Year's nails. I think they're super cute and can be done in any other colors. So if you want to know start to finish how to go from this to these glitter French tips, keep on watching. As always, starting off with pushing back my cuticles, and the safest way to do this is with some cuticle remover gel. This one is from Handsen and it just softens everything so it becomes effortless to push back. Then if needed you can cut anything sticking out with this tool. I'm using this one from Tweezerman. After that I like to file down the edges of my nails because this makes it easier for the tips to fit later on. Now it's time to measure the gellac tips, and here I'm using the short almond tips from Kiara Sky. These are very easy to work with and for me they fit perfectly without adjusting or filing them down. As I mentioned, I'm not using a drill in this video, so I will be preparing my tips with this tip primer from Gelish. This feels very liquidy, so a tiny bit goes a long way. Just make sure you rub it on until it feels tacky, and that's when you know it's ready to be applied for long-lasting effect. Once all the tips are prepared, it's time for my actual nails, and here I will be first using the pH bond, also from Gelish. This is a dehydrator, so it makes sure there is no oils left on your nail, paired with the tip primer we used earlier for the tips to also make our actual nails tacky, so everything really sticks together. This is how I get my nails last up to 5 weeks, so these little steps are very important. For the glue, I'm using the soft gel tip adhesive from Gelish. They come in a regular gel polish bottle and also in a pot, which I chose to go for after my regular one ran out. And as you can see, I just scoop it out like this without needing another brush. To apply your tips, I first brush on some adhesive and then scoop a little more on the edges and slowly apply a few millimeters away from my cuticle. nails and press down until the gel goes all the way up, covering the whole nail, and then flash cure. This takes a few times to practice, and my tip here would be to only cure when it's right, so don't be afraid to start over. It's better to clean the mess while it's not cured yet.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
Then cure everything one more time in the big lamp, and now it's time to file down the edges, and here you will notice the less mess, the easier it is for you to smooth out everything. For my top coat, I'm using the base extend from Pink Gellac, and here I'm concentrating mainly on the gap between my cuticles and the gelac's nails, making sure it's all seamlessly melted together. This way you will have very natural looking nails, and most importantly, this prevents lifting issues. For my base color, I'm using Milky White from Kiara Sky. This is a very soft and see-through white, so I will be doing 2 thin coats of this. For the glitter, I'm going in with Shimmering Lights, also by Kiara Sky, and just applying to the tips, and with another clean brush I will blend this in further. For the French tips, I will be using this nail art gel bottle. I bought this from Amazon and I ran out already because I use it so much and I couldn't find it anymore on Amazon. So I refilled it with a white gel polish from Pink Gellac, and this works just as good. Once I'm done with the design, I like to clean it up with some nail cleanser to make sure the top coat goes on smoothly later. For top coat, I'm using my all-time favorite, the non-wipe top coat from Kiara Sky. We're almost done here and I'm just gonna apply some cuticle oil to nourish and restore my nails from all the work we've been doing. There they are, super easy and fun to recreate glitter French tips, and as I said before, you can use any other colors that you like. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye!